Okay guys, so today is my first day of senior year and I'm gonna be showing you how I get ready for the first day. This is the only day I'm gonna be putting on makeup. Okay, so the first thing I do is that I do my eyebrows. So I gotta brush them out. My bangs cover my eyebrows, so it's not even really that important to do my brows all cute, but I do it anyway. So I use NYX brow gel in blonde. So to carve my brows, I mix these three concealers, which is Jeffree Star, Magic Star, and LA Girl Pro Concealer. So I mix those shades because I am really pale, so it's really hard to find a correct shade for me. So yeah, to be honest, like, I'm not all that excited for today. Like, I know some people are like, oh my god, I'm so excited to see my friends. I really don't care. Me, on the other hand, I just want to get the year over with. First, I blend out my brows with a blending brush, and then I blend with the beauty blender. But I do this first so that when I carve out the other brow, the concealer doesn't like really set. It's already blended. For my Real Technique one, my beauty sponge blender, however you want to call it, I don't know. So I'm not gonna do an eyeshadow, like a color or anything like that, because I don't think I have to. Like, why am I gonna wear color for eyeshadow to school? I don't know. So I'm just gonna take this LA Colors powder in this pale color. I don't know. It's like my skin. It's like a fair color, like my skin color. I'm just gonna use that to set my eyes. Now I'm going to moisturize my face real quick. I use this Skin Lab facial serum, this thing, and it has Moroccan rose oil, collagen, elastin, and vitamin C to revitalize and hydrate. Next, I put on my primer. Primer time. So I use Too Faced Hangover Primer. So I use Maybelline Fit Me Foundation shade 115, the matte one. I tried to get a lot around my nose because I don't know why, but for some reason my makeup is always coming off my nose. I don't understand. So for concealer, I use LA Girl Pro Concealer shade Bis, and I just go like that. Use this brush to just blend it out a little bit. I only have one shade that I use to contour, which is LA Girl again. This is Almond LA Girl Concealer. I got some in my hair. I'll get it out. Also, if you look at that, that's candle wax. So, one day, my mom put a candle there, and the candle was really small, so it basically like it got overflown. So it went everywhere in my wardrobe, and I don't know, it just has been looking like that. Nothing has really been done about it. To set my face, I use a Jeffree Star setting powder in the shade Beige, and then I mix that one with the Maybelline Fit Me powder shade 15 Light. To apply it, I use a Wet n Wild foundation brush. It doesn't say Wet n Wild anymore because I've washed it so many times, but it should say Wet n Wild. I put it on my nose a lot because foundation just always never sticks on my nose. I'm going to do my bronzer, contour, whatever. For that, I use Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. I don't want it to set for too long because then it gets like really white. And I don't want to look like a freaking ghost because I'm already pale AF. So for highlight, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Ambreezy, I think that's how you pronounce it, highlighter. Before like I put highlighter on the inner corners of my eyes, I spray it. The brush I'm using. I also like to blend out my highlight just a little bit. I really cannot believe that it's really my last day of high school. Like, I mean, it's really my last year of high school. These 4 years have honestly flew by, but I'm kind of happy they're coming to an end. I know people are like, oh my god, you're gonna miss high school so much. I don't think I am. I'm really surprised it's my last year of high school. They flew by, but am I gonna miss it? Probably not. Base, I use the Mario Badu spray and the rose water one. Wait, as I wait for that to dry, I'm gonna curl my lashes if I can find the curler. Oh god. And I'm not gonna put on lashes or anything because my bangs don't really allow me to. To top the look off, I'm gonna be using a Glam Up by GRWM lip gloss. These are my lip glosses, I sell them. And this is the clear one, so this is the coconut flavored one. I call it Diamond because I don't know, it's clear, it reminds me of a diamond. And I'm just gonna have it. So this is my back to school 12th grade senior year look. I'm gonna get back to you guys later because I have to get ready. I really like how it came out. It wasn't like too much, but it's cute. I'm late for school, so I'm gonna catch you up on how this goes. Hopefully I go to school on time, but I don't think it's gonna happen, so wish me luck. But yes, this is my look. And then I'm going to show you how my bangs are, which I'm so excited to show you guys. So I'm late for school. Everybody left my house already. I'm waiting for my Uber. But these are my bangs. Aren't they so cute? I'm really hungry, but I don't know, like I feel nauseous. Like I'm always nauseous in the morning, so I can't eat breakfast like right away. So I'm kind of waiting till my stomach comes down. But I'm waiting for my Uber, who's taking like 5 years. I was looking at my Air Forces, but the weather is kind of ugly for that, and I heard it's going to rain, so I don't want to mess them up. So I'll probably wear them tomorrow. But I have on my white polo, and then my ones, and that's it, and I'll talk to you later. Okay, so I got home not too long ago. So pretty much my day wasn't that bad. I didn't want to vlog during school, so it was just kind of like a fast day. It went by really fast. Hopefully every day goes by this fast. I came to school so late, like I was really late. I came in probably like 10-20 minutes late, but I still made it. But I came in late. So it's kind of embarrassing to come to first period late your senior year. Did you really have any reason to be late? No. It was so tiring, but my makeup stayed on the whole day. My bangs were cute the whole day. So for the most part, I'm ready for tomorrow. Oh, there's Mr. Mom. So yeah, I'm ready for tomorrow. Feeling the schoolgirl vibe. So yeah, that was just it for my get ready with me, my back to school senior year vlog. Make sure that y'all keep up with all my videos. Give me a thumbs up, give me a like, make sure to subscribe. Just make sure to keep up with me, and yeah, make sure to buy Glam Up by GRWM products, lip gloss, and eyelashes. Bye.